If you're like most men, your summer outfits are either too bright, too boring, or too bored shortsy. Here are some of my favorite warm weather looks to help you take your summer style game to the next level. Hey you, if you want to build a summer wardrobe that will have you looking better than you ever have before, then you need to check out the spring and summer module of my Essential Wardrobe app. Here, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about the must-have items to keep you feeling cool and looking hot this summer. From shirts, to shorts, to shoes, to accessories. There's a 24-hour free trial, which you can access simply by hitting the link in the description box. Okay, let's get to those outfits. Now, normally I'm not a fan of wearing matching items on your top and bottom halves, a la the Canadian tuxedo, but for my first look, I'm gonna make an exception. Here we are wearing a matching long sleeve shirt and shorts combo with a pair of white low top sneakers and a white tank top base layer. What I feel really makes this particular outfit work has got to be the color of the matching pieces. As I said in my last outfit video, sage green is such a stylish summer shade, and here the soft color really complements the relaxed fit of the shirt and shorts. Speaking of the relaxed fit, I need to make it clear that this is a casual outfit that should only be worn for occasions like vacations and beach days. You do not have my permission to wear it to the office or to address your event like a wedding. For the bottom half, remember that anytime you wear a pair of shorts, you really should be wearing a pair of no-show socks. Any sock that goes higher than your ankle will only steal attention, and yes, I'm looking at you, Gen Z. If you live somewhere that gets a bit warmer and you haven't started incorporating linen items into your wardrobe, then you really are missing out. This cool and breathable material has such a stylish look, and it's one of the few fabrics that you can wear on both your top and bottom half in the same outfit. Double denim? No, no, no. Double linen? Yep. Here we are wearing a white linen shirt over a crisp white t-shirt with some tan linen pants and sandals down below. Along with light blue and navy, white is one of my favorite shades for linen shirts, and this guy definitely earns bonus points for rolling up those sleeves and showing off some forearm. For the base layer, you can go for either a crew neck t-shirt or a tank top, but remember that it has to be white. As for the sandals, I recommend wearing them only when you're near water like a beach or a swimming pool. If you're not near a body of water, then I'd swap them out for a pair of white sneakers or some tan suede driving mocks, which I feel will complement the casual feel of the rest of the outfit. You know, dressing well is one thing, but there really is something about a good smelling man that women just love. And if you're looking for a new cologne to wear with your summer outfit, then you have to check out Gravité from the sponsor of this video, Particle. If you've been following me for any length of time, then you probably already know that I don't normally promote fragrances on my channel, but I just had to make an exception for this one. Effortlessly masculine, yet undeniably sophisticated, Gravité really is the complete package. It's engineered to leave a lasting impression and features zesty top notes of bergamot and grapefruit and a woody base notes of amber and cedarwood. One of my favorite things about it, it's surprisingly versatile. Honestly, Gravité works for every stage of your day, from your workout session to your 3 p.m. boardroom meeting. Also, I know it's not the most important feature, but I personally just love the look of this bottle. It has a cool and classic design that effortlessly complements the strong and self-assured scent of the cologne. Gotta love those little details. Men all over the world are raving about this fragrance, and I've been able to get you an exclusive discount so you can see what the fuss is all about. Particle is offering my viewers a whole 25% off your next Gravité order, which you can access simply by using the link and code provided down in the description box. Big thanks to Particle for sponsoring this video. As I said earlier, you really should be incorporating more linen items into your outfit rotation at this time of year. And this rule doesn't just apply to your shirts and pants. Here we are wearing a navy polo shirt with some light gray linen shorts with some black espadrilles down below. Now, I typically recommend flat front tan chino shorts, but during the summer months, I'm a sucker for a good linen pair. They have such a cool and textured feel, and if you want to learn more, I have a whole section dedicated to linen shorts in the spring and summer module of my Essential Wardrobe app. Here, you're gonna learn what colors you need, how they should fit, and how exactly you can wear them as part of your warm weather outfits. Link in the description box. And can we talk about that polo for a second? I honestly believe that more men really should be wearing this type of shirt, as it's like a more refined version of your go-to crew neck t-shirt. A navy version like this one is extremely versatile and can be worn with so many different types of seasonal pants, from light wash jeans to tan chinos to light gray shorts like the one shown here. As black footwear should be avoided during the summer months, you'll want to swap out those black espadrilles for a navy or brown pair instead. Or you could swap them out for some brown penny loafers or some low-top sneakers if you wanted to dress down the overall outfit. Just don't forget the no-show socks. Okay, it's officially time to dress things up a little. Here we are layering a navy blazer over a white linen shirt over a white tank top with some light wash jeans and black dress shoes worn down below. Now, if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you can probably already guess the one part of this outfit I'm going to have an issue with. Yep, those black dress shoes. Black items, especially black footwear, have a really heavy and dark look and should really be reserved for the colder months. The fix? Swap out those black dress shoes for either a brown pair or a pair of chocolate brown penny loafers instead. As for that navy blazer, though it's a tad on the darker side, I think this guy gets away with it. Navy is possibly the most versatile color there is, and a blazer like this can honestly be worn all year round. That said, you could also go for a cool camel version, which is perfect for the summer months. And if you wanted to dress things down, this outfit would also work without the blazer, but I just untuck that linen shirt or do a partial tuck for a more casual feel. How have we made it this far into a summer outfits video and not discuss what is for me the quintessential warm weather menswear item, the short sleeve button-up shirt? I've said it before and I'll say it again. You really should be stocking up on these bad boys, as they are not only super versatile, but they look great on guys of every age and body type. Here we are wearing a striped Cuban collar version with some light gray linen trousers with some black loafers. Also, we're draping a light blue sweater over the shoulders for an added feeling of preppy style. I just love this short sleeve button up. You could wear it buttoned up or unbuttoned over a crisp white tank top for more of a casual feel. As for the pants, if the linen trousers are a bit too dressy for you, then you could always swap them out for some navy chinos, light wash blue jeans, or even a pair of neutral colored shorts in gray, navy, or tan. Just remember to change up those shoes, as those slack loafers definitely draw the eye downward. Which footwear option should you wear instead? Pretty much any option recommended in the spring and summer module of my Essential Wardrobe app would definitely work here. To learn more, simply hit the link in the description box.